Yes, what's the doubt?
Sir, when will school reopen?
No information as on now. You have gone through what are the chapters which are there for the upcoming examination?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the chapters which are left out for sixth from remaining chapters? How many are left out?
Oh, sir, all are completed.
All are completed. Practical geometry is going on.
Yes, sir, but it is not there for exam.
It is not there for exam.
Yes, sir.
K.N. Birao sir has started. He has started
Yes,
the
sir.
practical geometry, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, for this session, I have taken symmetry and practical geometry. These are few important concepts followed by questions from NCERT exemplar. These questions are not there in the textbook. However, these questions are very, very important. So I have taken both the concepts together. To begin with, these are the important topics of these two chapters. A figure is said to have a line of symmetry if by folding the figure along the line, the left and right parts of its coincide exactly. The line is called as the line of symmetry of the figure. A figure may have no line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, and so on. The line of symmetry is closely related to mirror reflection. The distance of the image of point from the line of symmetry is same as the distance of the image from the line of symmetry. Many constructions can be made using different instruments of a geometry box. This is related to practical geometry. We shall straight away look at the questions which are from these two topics. First, we have MCQ type of questions. Question number 1 to question number 17, they are MCQ type of questions. Let's look at question 1. In the following figures, the figure that is not symmetric with respect to any line is.
Sir, B.
Option B.
The
Option
second
B.
one, sir.
Yes. Second one, sir, answer.
Option B. Option
Option B has got no line of symmetry, isn't it? In this, there is no line of symmetry. What about option A? In this option, you can have
Two line of symmetry.
Two, sir.
two line of symmetry. These are the two line of symmetry which are
Yes, sir. Two
possible.
lines. Yes, sir.
If you
There is
consider
a
this
two
triangle,
here, sir.
One line
Only
of
one,
for
symmetry.
this
sir.
triangle, there can be one line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
For
Infinite,
this
sir.
triangle,
Unlimited.
Sir.
Unlimited. Four line of symmetry, sir.
Unlimited line of
not only
symmetry, sir.
four, it can be
Sir.
more than four. Infinitely many line of symmetry can be there.
Yes,
So
sir.
in this, infinite number can be there. In this, only one. In this, there are two. In this, there are no line of symmetry. So answer for this question is option B. Look at question 2. The number of line of symmetry in a scalene triangle is.
Zero, sir. Zero.
We should know
Zero.
the meaning
Zero,
of the
sir.
scalene
No, sir.
triangle.
So, option A.
On
Option A.
option A
Sir,
is
the
a
scale
correct
triangle
answer.
Answer is, sir.
This should this
Zero.
is a scalene triangle. Suppose if I name
Yes,
this
sir.
triangle as ABC, you cannot have any line of symmetry. So zero number of line of symmetries are there for scalene triangle. Question 3. The number of line of symmetry in a circle is
More than
is
More than
more than 4.
Sir.
In fact, there will
More
be
than 4.
infinite number of
Infinite, sir.
line of symmetry are possible.
Sir, 360.
Not just 360, it can be more than 360 also, sir.
Okay, sir. More than 360.
Question number 4. Which of the following letters doesn't have a vertical line of symmetry?
Sir,
Vertical line of
E.
symmetry. It's
E,
very
sir.
easy. If you consider
Sir,
letter M, there is
Has
a
a
vertical line of symmetry,
Yes,
but
sir.
there is no horizontal line of symmetry. For letter H, if you consider
Vertical also, sir. E have
both vertical
only.
and horizontal,
Sir, E
this
only
E,
horizontal. Have only horizontal.
it can have only horizontal line of symmetry. In this, it is vertical line of symmetry.
Line, sir.
So this particular option E is having a horizontal line of symmetry. There is no vertical line of symmetry. So the right answer is option E.
Answer is yes, sir. X, sir. Answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fifth
Next
question
option.
is, which of the following letters have both horizontal and vertical?
X,
If you observe this letter will be having both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. The symmetry can be like this. One is
Yes, sir.
vertical, other is horizontal. In the remaining cases, here there is a horizontal line of symmetry. In this there is a vertical line of symmetry. In this there is horizontal line of symmetry. Actually, the letter should look like this.
Yes, sir. In
Then
that,
horizontal line of symmetry.
yes, sir. In that
Okay,
D,
sir.
sir, no one can make. Yes, sir. Should be right option.
If this letter is this, then there is a horizontal line of symmetry. All right,
Yes,
sir.
sir. In D, there is no. Then we can make.
Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following
Symmetry line, sir.
letters doesn't have any line of symmetry? Which is not having any line of symmetry?
D, sir. Yes, sir.
B option.
This letter has
B
no line of symmetry. For this letter, there is a vertical.
Which of the
For this,
has
if it is like this, horizontal. For this, both vertical and horizontal. Question 7. Which of the following letters has only one line of symmetry? This is having only one line of symmetry. For this, there is no line of symmetry. For this, there are two line of symmetry. For this, there is two line of symmetry. In this horizontal, vertical, both are there. Horizontal, vertical. For this, there is no line of symmetry. For this, there will be one. Question number 8. The instrument
Next
to
question,
measure
sir.
an angle is A.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, sir. B,
Protractor.
sir. Option B.
B, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, ninth one compass, sir. Ninth one
In
compass.
the instrument used to draw a circle is called as a compass.
Sir.
Probably,
Compass.
listen. Probably, sir must have shown you the different instruments.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have seen the instruments.
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your presentation gone, sir. Your presentation gone, sir.
On.
Sir, your
Very
presentation
good.
gone, sir.
Sir must have
Yes,
shown
sir.
you
Sir,
this.
show this one only. Yes,
This
sir.
one
This
only.
one only.
This instrument is called as a protractor. This one is called as a ruler.
Scale.
This is called as a set square.
Set squares.
This is called as a compass.
Compass. And one more is there, sir. Divider.
Yes, sir. Divider.
Is there, sir.
Divider is there, but in this divider is not there. Okay.
Measure the length. Another one triangle
Yes.
is there, sir.
There are
Set
actually
square
two
one.
types of set squares.
Yes, sir.
Divide
This is called as a set square.
Right angle triangle.
divide in major line, sir.
Sir, when is hypotenuse?
Sir, I have a doubt,
One is
sir.
a right angle triangle in this way. It is called as a isosceles right angle triangle. One more
Sir,
will
I
be
have
like
a doubt.
this.
One is 90 degree, one is 30 degree, one is also 30 degrees, sir.
One of the angle is
That is right
45
angle
degree.
triangle, sir.
Right angle triangle,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is also.
And
In
No,
this
sir. 60 degree,
hypotenuse also
30
there, sir.
degree, and 90 degree.
30 degree and 90 degrees, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt,
Same
sir.
case 45, 45, and 90.
Sir, 180
Sir,
degree.
I have a doubt.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Sir, set square is like the triangle, sir.
Yeah, set square is a right angled triangle. Hmm.
Sir, then why it is called square, sir? Set square.
Sir, shall you call it is shattered triangle?
Listen,
Because
listen.
both the joint
This is
edge
a
becomes
set
Sir,
square.
when we will join two, sir, then
One more
it
set
will
square if
become
you
square.
join it.
Yes, sir. When
One more
we
set
join
square if you
two
join it.
set
becomes
two
square,
set
All the
squares,
angles
so then
formed
the
here
square will
is
become.
90 degree. If this measure is say 10 centimeter, all the sides will be 10 centimeter. It forms a square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
What we call another triangles now.
Coming back to these questions. Question number 10. The number of set squares in a geometry box is. Yes, as I had mentioned, there are two.
Option C, two, sir.
One of the set square will be having
Yes, sir. I
30
isosceles
degree,
right angle triangle.
60 degree, and 90 degree.
Sir.
One more will be having
And
45 degree.
there is one
90 degree,
hypotenuse also,
45
sir.
degree, and 90
45,
degree.
45, 90, sir.
90, sir.
90 degrees,
The
sir.
number of line of symmetry in a ruler is.
Sir, two, sir. Two, sir.
Two, sir.
Two, sir.
There are
One,
two.
one horizontally.
Sir, two, sir.
One is a vertical, other is horizontal. If you consider a ruler,
Sir, two, sir.
there can be a line of symmetry
One
like this.
horizontal, sir.
There
What
can
is
be a
horizontal?
line of symmetry like this.
Sir, this is vertical.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
glass is not, sir.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Yes, no, sir.
I'm not.
I now understood, sir.
What you have not understood?
Sir, I think that we have to count the symmetry lines among the numbers, sir. Centimeters, sir.
They have given a ruler. They did not mention that it is extended. They have given it is a ruler. It is having a fixed length. A ruler will be having a fixed length.
Yes, sir.
So from the middle, we can have a line of symmetry. From the middle horizontally also we can have a line of symmetry. There are two lines of symmetry.
Vertical, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vertical
I
will be
understood,
both
sir. Thank you, sir.
centimeters,
Yes,
sir.
Chiranjeevi,
If
this is one scale,
we make
probably say 15
horizontal line,
centimeter
sir.
scale.
Yes, sir. What if we make vertical?
You can take a long scale
Vertical
30
side will
centimeter.
one and a half will be 12.5 centimeters.
Okay, no problem.
We'll
Our
get
question
15
is to
centimeters, sir.
identify the lines of symmetry, sir. We have found two lines of symmetry can be there. That's it.
Sir.
Question 12. The number of line of symmetry in a divider is. In a divider, there will be one line of symmetry.
One, sir.
Because a divider will be having an angle formed.
Sir, divider is two
There will-
legs, sir. In between one vertically, sir. Sir, 13
Okay.
question answer is two, sir.
So
Option
here there is only one possibility
question
of
answer.
having line. That's it. The number of line of symmetry in a compass is.
0, sir.
Zero. Zero.
Because they have zero line of symmetry. Tell me the reason.
Pointed left sir.
Tell
One
the
has the
reason.
pointed and one doesn't have the pointed, sir. And another side that will be needle, sir.
To put the pencil.
One side there will be pointer,
Only one,
on
sir.
other
And one
side
side
there
there
will
is
be pencil.
That sir.
It would look like this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Now,
sir.
now if you consider a line of symmetry,
Yes sir.
we cannot have exact same copy in the left and right side. Here we are not having a pencil. Here there is a difference.
Yes, sir.
Since there is a difference, we cannot have line of symmetry. So the number of line of symmetry is 0 there. Understood? Isn't it easy?
Yes sir. Easy sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 14. The number of line of symmetry in a protractor is.
Sir, one. One, sir. Only one. Only one, sir.
If you really observe the protractor, it looks in this shape. It's in the shape of a letter D.
Yes sir.
Isn't it?
D. In the
Letter
D.
D has only one line of symmetry. It is
Yes
at
sir.
the center.
Yes, sir.
Only one
Vertically
line
sir.
of symmetry is possible.
Sir. That is called.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
15th one zero sir.
15th one?
Zero.
0.
sir.
No,
One is
sir.
one.
One sir.
There will be one line of symmetry.
Sir, in the middle sir.
Is there, sir?
One sir.
It
Yes
is
sir.
having 90 degree here,
One sir.
45
Yes sir.
degree.
Isosceles triangle have one.
There will be one line of symmetry
Yes, sir.
called as isosceles
Zero sir.
right triangle.
Triangle. Yes, sir. Right circle triangle.
It is
Isosceles
both
right angle
isosceles as
triangle.
well as right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
There is one more set square 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. For that set square, how many line of symmetry?
Zero.
Zero.
Cannot
sir.
be any line
Zero.
of symmetry.
Zero sir. A sir. Zero.
Because it becomes a
also depends.
Sir,
scaling.
all are different angles.
Correct.
Silent
It is
triangle
called as
do
a
not have any
scaling right
line, sir.
angled triangle. Question 17. This is a last question of MCQ type. The instrument in the geometry box having the shape of triangle is called as set square. Okay, sir. Now we have the questions from 18 to 48, 42, which are fill in the blank type.
Yes, sir.
The distance of the image of a point or an object from the line of symmetry, which is mirror, is dash as the point object from the line of mirror. It should be same.
Sir, same, sir. Same or equal?
Sir, same.
Suppose if you are having a candle in front of a mirror, say this is a mirror, this candle will be of same distance in its image also. This is object.
Yes, sir.
Image. Object distance and image distance, they both will be same. This distance would be same. If it is 5 centimeter, this also will be 5 centimeter. So the answer is same. Question 19. The number of lines of symmetry in a picture of Taj Mahal is
Only, sir.
One, sir. One.
one.
One, sir. Only one. Only one.
Correct, sir. In the beginning of the chapter, I have shown you the image of a Taj
Yes, sir.
Mahal.
First
There is
only I have
only
shown,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir. Question number 20. The number of line of symmetry in a rectangle and a rhombus are
Equal, sir.
Sir, equal. Sir,
Equal.
Equal, sir. Equal, sir. Two only, sir. Both are having two.
because there will be two lines of
Only
symmetry.
two, sir. Yes, sir. Rectangle also two, sir. Rhombus also two.
Correct, sir. Very good.
Yes,
Question 21.
Equal,
The
sir.
number of line of symmetry in a rectangle and a square.
No, sir. No, sir.
They are
Unequal, sir. Unequal.
unequal.
Unequal,
Why
sir.
unequal?
Has four symmetry, sir, and
No,
If
sir.
you consider a rectangle, there will be two lines of symmetry.
No, sir. There are
sir.
four symmetry, sir, in a square.
In square, there will be actually four lines of symmetry.
Four.
Of symmetry, sir.
Sir, in a rectangle, two, sir.
That is what I have written, sir. In rectangle, there will be two line of symmetry. In square, there will be four line of symmetry.
yes, sir.
Question 22. If a line segment of length 5 centimeter is reflected in a line of symmetry, which is a mirror, then its reflection is a dash of length dash. What type
Same
of
length.
reflection?
Length 5 centimeters.
This also will be line segment and the length will be 5 centimeter.
5 only, sir.
In the previous one, I have shown you. Here it is a candle. In this, it is
Yes,
a
sir.
candle. The object and image both are candles only.
Yes, sir.
Image doesn't change. So here, image will be line segment only, and it is of 5 centimeter length. If an angle of measure 80 degrees is reflected in a line of symmetry, then the reflection is a dash of measure dash. It will be again angle.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
angle, sir. It is angle and measures 80 only, sir.
It's the angle of measure 80
Only 80,
degrees.
sir. Only 80, sir.
Sir, it is the angle of measure, sir.
Alright, sir. Question number 24. The image of a point lying on a line L with respect to the line of symmetry L lies on dash.
Same point, sir.
Same point.
It would lie on the same line. So
Same line.
I have to mention it as L. Here, when the object is placed on the line, its image also will be at the same place.
Yes,
Because
sir.
L itself is a line of symmetry. This itself is a line of symmetry. Understood?
Yes, sir.
दिनेश देवासी कौन सा गाना गा रहे हो भैया?
Leave करने.
Question 25. You can observe the figure right side 9.10. There is a line of symmetry which is represented by the line L. There is a point on that line of symmetry. Observe these line segments PA and PB. What are they?
Sir, they are symmetry, sir.
Are you cutting?
Are equal, sir.
These lengths PA
Sir, they are
and
equal,
PB,
sir.
they will
Sir,
be equal.
Equal, sir. I told first only, sir. First, sir.
Very good. They are equal. Question number 26. You can observe a floral diagram here. For
Sir.
this floral diagram, there are 5
Five,
petals.
sir.
Five, sir.
The line of
Sir,
symmetry
petals,
also
sir.
will be 5.
There are five, sir.
Petals to the other side.
2,
Correct.
3, 4,
Yes, sir.
Five.
First, second, third. We have to move the all pet from between of all petal.
Yeah, in between it will be extended. It looks something like this.
Yes, sir. It's in. You have to do in all petals, sir. On in between.
Okay, sir. Correct. You are right. Absolutely correct.
yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
There are
11,
only
12.
5 Shiv Baswa. You are telling the numbers. Question number 27. The common properties in the two set squares of a geometric box are that they have a dash angle and they are in the shape of a dash.
Sir, they are facing
right, sir.
They are in the shape of a triangle.
Triangle, sir.
They have a right angle.
Right angle triangle.
Okay.
triangle.
Question number 28. The digits having only two line of symmetry are dash and dash. Two line of symmetry.
Sir, rectangle
Digit
and rhombus.
digit.
And isosceles triangle. It
Don't
digits,
get
sir.
confused. It's a digits.
Rectangle,
This
sir.
0 to 9, they are called as digits. These are the digits.
Yes, sir.
In these digits, identify which one is having two line of symmetry.
8, sir. 8.
8, no doubt,
Zero
8 is having two.
Sir, 0 and 8.
Circle, sir.
So 0 and 8 will be having.
Sir, 0 has infinite, sir.
0 has infinite, but it is having 2, no?
Yes, sir. 2.
There is no other number which is. They have asked only 2.
Sir, 0 is the shape of oval, sir. So that has only.
Zero is in oval.
Yes, sir. Is
Sir, only
the
one, sir.
oval,
Only two,
sir.
sir.
Only 2. It has only 2, sir, because 0 is in the oval shape.
Can you have any other number other than 8 which is having two line of symmetry? No,
No, sir.
you cannot have. That is the reason why 0 and 8 should be the answer for this question. The digits having only one line of symmetry is only one line of symmetry. If you observe the digit 3,
Yes,
if you
sir.
consider
3.
the digit 3, it will be having only one line of symmetry and the
Horizontal,
symmetry will
sir.
be a horizontal
Horizontal.
line. So this is only one possibility. So 3 is the answer for the question. Now question number 30. In question 30, the number of digits having no line of symmetry is
2.
no line of
Sir,
symmetry.
2, sir.
1, sir.
2, sir. 2, sir.
1,
One
Five,
is
sir.
having only one, 2,
8, sir. 8
4,
numbers.
4, sir. 5, sir.
5,
5, 6,
6,
sir. 7,
7,
7, sir.
8.
7. 8,
8 is
sir. 9.
having, yeah,
Nine,
8 is having.
9.
9. Count the numbers
Sir,
here.
9, sir.
7, sir.
There are totally 7 numbers. The number of capital letters of English alphabet having only vertical line of symmetry is
E.
vertical line.
Sir, E, sir. C.
A
D.
A में है, M में है, E में है, U में है, V, W and Y. If you consider Y like this,
H also.
H is having both horizontal and vertical. They have asked only vertical, है ना? H में क्या है? Horizontal भी है, vertical भी है. So we have to consider only vertical line of symmetry. So totally there are 7 letters. Question 32. The number of capital letters of alphabets having only a horizontal line of symmetry. Only a horizontal line. Letter B, if you see, there is only a horizontal line. Letter C,
D, sir. D, sir.
C.
letter
D,
D,
sir. D, sir. C.
E,
D.
and
D,
this letter K. They have only one horizontal line. So totally there are 5 alphabets.
M, sir.
The M
I need doubt, sir.
M is having a vertical line, not horizontal line. Yes, sir.
Vertical, sir.
Here the question is only horizontal.
Only,
Yes, what is the doubt?
sir, N also have only vertical lines, sir.
N is having a vertical line. N is not having vertical line.
N is not having any
It is not
line of
having
symmetry, sir.
any symmetry.
So N is having no one symmetry, sir.
We will come to know
Sir, I
that.
have a doubt, sir.
There is a question on that. Yes, Nitin.
Sir, M has.
Sir, why you are making a line between the seven, sir?
Making a line between the 7. What does it mean?
Yes, sir. When we are writing a seven
Ah,
number, you are making a line between the seven, sir. In the type, they have not written any line, sir. In books also, sir.
no problem, sir. This is considered. This is also considered. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Usually, whenever we are writing the statements, when we are making sentences, we write THE in this way and in this way also. If you observe, sometimes what happens, this is also considered as THED, but in actual sense, it is 7 he. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is no problem in writing 7 in this format, sir. Do you know that 4 is written like this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
4 is also written like
I
this.
only writing, sir.
Some write like this.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you say that these are wrong?
No, sir.
No, sir. These are not wrong. Okay, sir. Let us continue, sir. Question number 33.
Yes, sir.
The number of capital letters of English alphabet having both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry is.
Sir,
Spell it H
Sir,
आएगा.
A, sir.
H, sir.
If you can take this letter I,
Sir,
letter O,
Sir, I O
and X. So there are
One,
4
sir.
numbers. Question number 34. The number of capital letters of English alphabet having no line of symmetry.
sir.
Now you see the letter F,
Yes, sir. N, sir.
Z, sir.
G,
N, sir.
Yes, sir.
Z, sir.
J, L,
Z, sir.
N,
N, sir.
P,
Z, sir. Z,
Q,
sir. Z, sir.
R,
Z.
S
Z,
and
sir.
Z.
Yes.
काउंट करो ये कितना है?
1, 2, 3, 7, 8,
9, sir.
10, sir.
9, 10.
10.
3, 2, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, there are 10.
10, sir.
Question
Yes,
number
sir.
35. The line of symmetry of a line segment is the dash of the line segment. This we will come across in this chapter, practical geometry. It is called as a perpendicular bisector.
Sir, what is the meaning of perpendicular and bisector, sir?
Yes, I will tell you the meaning of perpendicular bisector. For that, I have to show you something. Yes, Kedarnath.
Sir, it is not coming, sir.
What is not coming, sir?
It is blank. Share screen,
I
sir.
am not writing anything, sir. I will show you. Wait for some time.
Sir, we can see a white ball only, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see. We cannot see the whiteboard, sir. It is
You
black,
cannot see
sir.
the whiteboard. I know that. You have to wait for some time, no? When I have not shared, you cannot see.
Sir,
Now you will be able to see.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. No,
Suppose
sir.
if I consider a ruler and draw any line
Not able to
segment. If I draw any line segment, you are not able to see.
No, sir. No,
This
sir.
is
Sir, we able to
a
see,
line
sir.
segment which is of length 9 centimeter. This is a line segment of length 9 centimeter. Let me write it here. It is 9 centimeter line. Sorry, line segment. I will name this line segment as AB. Now if I want two parts of this line segment AB, what I can do is I can
Sir, we
make
have to cut vertically.
I can take a scale. Once again, I can take 9 centimeter and I can measure exactly 4.5 centimeter here.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to cut, sir.
Centimeter, sir.
Wait, let me tell. So this 4.5 centimeter, this point we are getting, this point from that point to B, it is 4.5. From
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
that
sir.
point to A is also 4.5.
4.5
Yes, sir.
centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So
Now it
things
is
become
symmetrical.
easy. I can bisect. The meaning of bisect is making it as two equal parts.
Yes, sir.
If I draw another line, say for example, if I rotate this and draw a line in such a way that if it is forming a 90-degree,
Oh,
then I
sir.
can say that it is a perpendicular bisector. If it is making a 90-degree, then I can say that it's a perpendicular bisector. If the angle formed is 90, it is called as perpendicular.
Yes, sir. We understood, sir.
The thing is, here 9 centimeter was easy to make. Suppose if the line segment is say 4.5 centimeter and if we are dividing that into two equal parts, we cannot exactly measure half of the length 4.5. We cannot measure it.
2.5, sir.
In
2.25.
such cases, 2.25 can you get it on the scale?
No, sir.
You
No,
cannot get
sir.
it.
No, sir.
Since 2.25 is not possible on the scale, we follow a method. Now let me consider a line segment say AB of length 7.5 centimeter and I'll try to divide it into two equal parts. So first I will measure 7.5 centimeter. So this is a line segment of length 7.5 centimeter.
Sir, you have drawn 7.6, sir.
Is it?
No, sir.
Now
Yes,
it
sir.
is 7.5.
No, sir. It's 7.1.
Yes, sir. 7.5.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are happy now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, with the use of this particular instrument, we have to make perpendicular bisector. How I am going to do it, you just observe. On this A, point A, I will take the compass, I will measure more than half the length of the line segment. So here it is more than half. Correct? No. I can draw arcs on either side. Now I can place this compass here. Now if I continue drawing, I should not change the length.
Sir, we have to
Let
put the
me take this.
mouse on the pencil.
Sir, on actual compass it will be easy, sir. This is done using the animation. It becomes little difficult.
हाँ sir, then हाँ.
ठीक है. Somehow I have got this point of intersection. This is
Yes,
point
sir.
of intersection. This is
Yes,
another
sir.
point of intersection. These
Yes,
points
sir.
of intersection, I need to join it by means of a ruler. I am going to draw a line passing through these 2 points. There is something called as a precision which is missing in this. So I am facing little difficult. ठीक है. समझ लो कि I have drawn a line here.
sir.
I have a doubt,
Okay,
sir.
just think that
Today.
I have drawn a line segment from here to here. Okay, this particular point will be the midpoint of the given line segment. This is a method. I have not told
Sir, I have a
exactly
doubt, sir.
how to do it. Actually,
Sir,
you
I
have to
have a
draw
doubt.
a line passing through these 2 points. ठीक है. This point is called as midpoint. Angle formed is 90 degree. This is
Sir,
AB.
I have a doubt.
This is M. If I name this as XY, this line XY divides AB perpendicularly.
Yes, sir.
So that
Sir, I
AM
have a
will
doubt.
become equal to MB. Yes, what is the doubt, sir?
Sir, how many distance we have to take pencil to needle, sir, in compass?
See, this is a line segment which is 7.5 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
You take more than 3.6 centimeter, which is more than half. It should be less than 7.5 and more than half of the length. What is half of AB? AB by 2, 7.5 by 2. How much is that?
3.75, sir.
So take 4 centimeter and put the arc. As simple as that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in any point we have to put because, sir, we can in any point, sir.
Sir,
But actually, when we are drawing the first arc, sir, we have
you have to
we
place
can
it
put
on A. You have to place it on A. A is center. From A as the center with the radius more than half of the given line segment, you will cut arcs on either
yes,
side of AB. You will repeat the procedure by taking B as the center to get the point of intersection. These point of intersections are connected by means of a line that is called as perpendicular line. It's a perpendicular bisector of given line segment. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you send notes in PDF form in WhatsApp?
Listen, these things, whatever I have told now, it cannot be shared in the PDF because it is
Yes.
some other way. I have done that. So these remaining things, definitely I can share it.
Yes. In the
I'll
WhatsApp.
share whole chapter itself. You can go through this chapter completely. I will share it.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Let me end today's session now. It's time up.
Bye,
We
sir.
will
Thank you, sir.
continue in the next
Bye, sir.
period. Yeah, thank you.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Have a